Hi great people, you are welcome back to Physique Fashion House channel. My name is Fola. We are grateful for as many that has been subscribing to this channel, and if you have not subscribed, do well to subscribe today. Thank you. I want to teach you how to make a trendy draped off shoulder sleeve. To achieve that, I'll be using these bodies as an illustration. So, and we'll be needing just buy a yard of fabric because of the size you'll be needing. So here I'll be using like a 26 by 26 inches because of the way we want to fold it. We'll be folding it in bias form. So now just look at the way I'll be folding it. I say we have like a 26 by 26 here. That is for a sleeve. So to fold it, you just fold it this way. What we are trying to achieve, we are still coming back to rectangular form, but you will see the reason why we have to fold it this way as we're proceeding in the video. So you fold this way, then fold it like this. So now, this is how we want to get our rectangular shape now. So this 26 by 26 that I cut out is not standard. It depends on how drape and how full you want it to be. So now, from this we have folded now. I will now get something 9 by 10 by whatever I get here. So here. Here. What do I get here? I'm able to get it here. So whatever I'm able to get here is what I'll get here. So here we are now. So you can see we are able to get something like a rectangular form now, because as it is, we have cut out both the lining and the main fabric together, because all we are going to do now is to go and join this side. We just join it by half an inch, then I'll show you the next thing to do. After cutting it out this way now, when you feel this place now, you can see how stretched it is. This is what we mean by bias form. You can see how it is. Even if you fold it this way, it will be drawn. It won't be the same way it will be, assuming you cut out your rectangular shape normal. If you cut it out normal, the thing will just firm, bam. So it won't be like this. So this is what we mean by bias form. So we now join here together. Now we have joined it here, and I open it to iron it. So then you turn it to the right side. So now the next thing you want to achieve now is for you to now fold it. You can see that this joining, I've placed it in the center. So this side will be our wrong side, I mean the lining. This side will serve as a lining now. So this side will serve as our main fabric. So the next thing we have to do now is to now fold it equally. So we want to shape it a bit. So now this is the bodies I want to use. So I'm just using these bodies as an illustration. So it is the corset that is used in our picture, in our thumbnail. So if you want to learn how to make corsets, join our online class. The registration is on now. So for this sleeve now, all we need this side, I mean for the upper parts, all we need is like 8 inches. So you just add a 1 inch seam allowance to it, making 9. And if you divide 9 by 2, it gives us 4.5. So for this upper part now, you just measure your 4.5 here. So the reason why we cut it bias is that this 4.5 now is going to fit the arm region, the upper arm region is going to fit. So, and if you don't cut it in bias form, that thing, the sleeve will be firm there, which we might not allow you to be lifting your hand easily. But with the help of this bias cut now, you can see how this place is now. So if you don't cut it bias, this place will have been so firm. So then you just get your sleeve. I mean, you get your armhole the way you normally get your armhole. Just let me use. So get it this way. So for the down part, you don't need to shape it. We want it to be fair at that down part. So having done this, the next thing we are going to do now is to now go and stitch it. We stitch it this way. We stitch it here. Then we now gather the stitch to give us the draping effect. So let me do that. Now, after stitching it, you gather the ruff this way. As you are gathering your ruffle, what you are trying to achieve is 2 inches. So you gather it to give you altogether 2 inches. And you place it in your armhole, ensure that it is 2 inches. So after gathering this place to be 2 inches, the next thing you do is to join it to the armhole of your bodice. So like this armhole now, from here we have 2 inches to this level. So we are going to join the sleeve to the bodice up to this 2 inches so that you will have space by your armpit to raise up your arm. So because by the time we join it, the smaller part will be up while the wider part will be down. So we have fixed the sleeve to the bodice now. You can see this is our draped off-shoulder sleeve. So you can make it as fuller as you want. I mean, as wider down here as you want. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Like it, drop your comments on the comment section, and subscribe to this channel.